Hey guys, welcome to the video today. Today we're going to replace the reverse backup light here in a Chrysler 300M. Mine's a 2002, but this will be a very similar process for the years around this time frame in the Mopar family. So this takes a 3157 bulb or 3157K, which is the long life. Before we get into it, again, I'd just like to say thanks for making your way to the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I do appreciate you guys. Well, okay, now first things first, let's get the trunk open and we'll get inside here. There are 3 plastic wing nuts we need to take off. All right, guys, we're inside the trunk of the car. You can see these 3 little plastic wing nuts here. We're going to go ahead and get those all taken off right now. And once we have these off, we're going to move back to the outer part of the car. And, okay. Shouldn't be too bad to get off. These ones came off pretty easy. The size of the plastic wing nut makes them easy to turn. Okay, let's come out to the outside of the car again. Be right back. Okay guys, now that we got the plastic wing nuts out, this should just be able to pull right out. We're just going to do it gently. Okay. There is a, let's see if we can get you guys a little bit better picture, or yeah, better picture here. There's a wire harness here that connects, and if we disconnect this, we can get this all the way out. Make it a little easier to change the bulbs. So let me kind of set this back in for a second, and let's see if we can get you guys a better picture here so I can show you how to disconnect the wire harness. Okay guys, I got you a little bit better view here. If you had somebody to help you, it'd probably be a lot easier, but this is where the wire harness connects right here. What you want to do is you want to stick a screwdriver in there and be really gentle. Remember, this is old plastic, so it's likely to break. You just want to put a little bit of pressure, like opposite pressure, so you're trying to flex this piece out of just a little bit, and then as you do so, pulling off the bottom connector. And there we go, we got it disconnected. I'm gonna go, before we work on this any further, I'm going to go get this cleaned up. It's got a lot of dirt and dust, and I just want to clean it up, give you guys a little bit better view of what we're doing. So I'll be right back once I vacuum this up. Okay guys, so we have the brake light fixture out of the car, and we are going to show you how to replace the reverse light here. So if we flip it over, make sure you guys got a good view there. And here it is right here. You're just going to turn this and pull it out. And there it is. And then you're just going to gently grab the bulb and wiggle it out. And then you will put your new one in. And same deal, just gently wiggle it back in until you hear it snap. And then as soon as you do that, you'll get it back in the hole here. And it will sink in. You'll just kind of spin it until you feel it sink into the socket there. And then once it does, you just turn it until it locks back into place. Okay, let's go get this one back in the car. All right, guys, now that you got your reverse light replaced, we're just going to go ahead and reassemble this. Make sure that you re-hook up your wire harness here. As you push it together, you will hear it click. Just make sure to be gentle. This is old plastic. You don't want to break it. And then we'll just go ahead and fit this back into the hole here. And then once it is in the slot, we will go ahead and replace the plastic wire nuts on the back here. And I'm just putting some pressure against it as I do this, just to hold it in place. There's one. Okay. There's 2. There's 3. Hey guys, well there you have it. I just showed you how to replace the reverse tail light on a Chrysler 300M. I wanted to say I appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and have a good one.